Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back like my mom's nagging. Alright, so let's check out this view. About to try this Dairy Queen's new lemon meringue pie. Alright, so I believe they offer 25 different flavors, one new flavor each month. I think they started with the s'mores. So this month, July, is a lemon meringue pie. So in case you're wondering, how come this is like a kid size, man? This is actually from the $5 buck lunch upgrade. So they give you this blizzard in place of sundae, which is a great deal. So let's open this and see what this is all about. So I'm sitting down on this big log at the beach. Alright, this looks pretty good. So from the description, they say it has creamy whipped cream on a nice vanilla ice cream with lemon pie pieces. So you see a little bit of everything. I believe these are the pie pieces right here. It's kind of yellowish color. It's pretty good. I have to eat this fast before it melts. It's about 75 degrees, which is pretty rare for Seattle, July. Wow, that's good. So see these pie pieces? They're good. They're kind of like slight tang, a little sour, not too sweet. It's a perfect blend for a nice Sunday treat. Perfect for summertime at the beach. Exactly where I'm at right now. So let me think about what I'm gonna give this while you guys enjoy this view. Got a lot of boats fishing. I don't know what they're doing. Drinking, fishing, crabbing. Alright, the verdict is in. So I'll give this 82%. It's good. It's still not better than my tropical blizzard, which is gonna probably be always my favorite. There you have it. Dairy Queen lemon meringue pie blizzard. Check it out. It might be for a limited time. As always, have a great summer, guys, girls. Want some of this? Oh yeah, you know what's good. I might start making outtakes like this.